Hi family, my name is Melita. If you don't know that because you're new here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. You guys, I've been gone for so long and I do apologize for that. The last few months has been very tough for me. I lost my mom, but that's not what this video is about. I'm just apologizing for my long absence. But I always been with you guys. Actually, I've been uploading videos. Anyways, I am here to give you an update on this wig. If you remember, this is the black wig. Yes, the $49.99 wig that I picked up from Amazon. It actually been 2 months since I got this wig, and it's in a different color. That's because I dyed it. Yes, so I got some blonde. How is this blonde? Brown? How do you call this? Copper going on in there. I'm trying to figure out. My brain really been all over the place. So it's like frozen right now. But yeah, so I dyed it just to tell you guys that when I came with to you first time about this hair, I was not playing when I said for the price of this hair, the hair was really good. So this is the color I got. I feel like I can still go in some more. And like I said, I lost my mom and a lot been going on, and this wig been through it with me. I've been really wearing this wig, so I can sit here and tell you that if you still can't find this wig, get your hands on it. Somebody told me the last time the price went up a bit. Now I can see why. I mean, it's not fair that they did the price and then they boosted up, but you know how those companies do. So check it out. I will also leave the link for you. The curls, they've been holding up so well, and for a hair that was bleached, a cheap affordable hair that was bleached, it's still been holding up. Shedding has really not been bad at all. And the curls are popping still. What I've been doing to maintain this hair, especially since I bleached it, is I've been using my Cantu coconut curling cream. Yes, it's for my natural hair. Yes, I be crying, but it been keeping my wig very nice, and I like that. So it's better I keep my hair safe and in a good condition than to lose it. I'll be losing both ways, so that's why I've been using it in it. I mean, as you can see, it's not properly laid, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on how it's holding up. So yeah, I did not bleach it throughout. I just went between and then bleached it. I like how it is. Like I said, I might just go in again and kind of make it a lot more lighter because it's not light right now. And this is what it looks like. It's still very bouncy. Okay, it's still very much bouncy. The curls are still, ooh, let's get this hair out of my mouth. The curls are still nice and beautiful. Okay, so yes, this brings me to the final conclusion and review about this hair. This hair is nice. It been holding up. It been going through a whole lot with me because I've been reaching out for it very frequently. So yeah, if you still haven't gotten it and you want to and you're looking for an everyday wig, this is it. Or even if you want to go out, this can definitely do it for you. All right, okay, so if you are not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, join the family. When you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will never miss an upload from me again. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.